What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be explaining the previous day's range report by previous close on edgeful.com. So here we're in the price action report type. We are looking at the previous day's range, looking at YM in the New York session in the last 6 months. So one thing that I need to point out is this New York session is very, very important for this report. Right here, you can see my trading view. We have these blue boxes here. These are indicating the New York session. This is from 9:30 a.m. Eastern to 4 p.m. Eastern. So when you have this New York session selected here, you can see we are only looking at the data within these blue boxes. You are literally ignoring, it's as if it doesn't exist, the data in between them. So what you're doing when you select the session is you're filtering out only for the data. You're filtering only for the data that is within these blue boxes. Now, the way to get access to these blue boxes is to get access to our TradingView indicators. They are part of the edgeful subscription. So you scroll down here. You can see right here it says TradingView indicators. You click Get Access Now. It says enter your TradingView username. So here you put in your TradingView username. Mine is edgeful. The way you find yours is you go over here to the top left and you click on this, and you can see right here is your TradingView username. Edgeful is mine. Yours obviously will be something else. Once you put that in, you click Get Access. Now you go to your indicators section up here. Click on that. You're going to see Invite Only appear. You're going to see 30 custom indicators that we have built. The one that I'm using here is called the Market Sessions. If you double click on it, the way that it will appear when you first load it up, it's going to appear like this. If you double click, you can open the settings. You can turn on and off the Tokyo and London settings. You can also change the start and end times. But for this case, we're going to be focusing on the New York session. So the previous day's range report tells you for every time the previous day's high is broken and the previous day's low is broken, how does price close today? And this by previous close filter will filter out for whatever yesterday's candle color was or yesterday's session was. So what do I mean by that? Green previous close right here and then red previous close here. So let's take these 2 days. You can see very obviously right here that price closed green on this day because this little vertical line or this diagonal line here that starts from the open and then goes to the close. So this is part of the market sessions indicator. It makes it really easy to see whether today was red or green. You can see this day was a green day because it closed higher than it opened. So right here, it would say, so let's move on to today. You can see that the previous day's low was clearly broken today, which would fall into this category here, previous day's low broken. Now I have the green previous day selected. So what this means is every time yesterday was green and today breaks the previous day's low, 82% of those days have been red. So this is a perfect example. This day was red. So we broke previous day's low. Right here, I will make this red. Broke previous day's low right here. Today closed red and yesterday was green. So you can see here, I have the green previous close selected, this day would qualify for that. Yesterday was green. Okay, let's see what's going to happen today. We broke the previous day's low. Today closed red. This is on YM in the last 6 months. So if you're trading YM and you see that yesterday was green and today touches that previous day's low, there is a very big chance that today is going to close red. Now if I switch over to the previous day red, which would fall into right here is a good example. So this would be the previous day. This was clearly red right here because price closed lower than it opened. And you can see this is previous day's low. You can see price today, this would be today, broke the previous day's low, and this is a red previous day. So you can see right here, 63% of the time when we break the previous day's low and yesterday was red, today will close red as well. So this is the way you want to look at it. You look, is yesterday red or green? That's number one. Now that's where you go up here to check, is yesterday red or green? That's where you go over here. Then you wait to say, is price breaking yesterday's high or is it breaking yesterday's low? that tells you which bar here to look at. So once you break previous day's low, I want to focus on this section here. I want to focus on this bar. And then you can see, now that I've seen that previous day's low is taken out, I can expect 63% of the time for today to close red. So that's the way that you can use this. You want to wait for those yesterday's high or low to be broken, and then that's when you can start to pick your bias in the day. So whether you trade futures, you can trade that directionally. If you trade options, you can also trade it directionally. But if you trade options, you can also sell options looking for price to close red on these days. So if you switch over here, this is a very strong edge here. So expecting today to close red, and just to be very specific here, what I mean by closing red is closing below the open of the day, of the session, to be very specific, closing below the open of today's session. So pretty much, once price broke this red line, you can expect price to close below this blue line here. I'll make it yellow too, so it stands out a little bit more. So once price broke right here, you can expect price to close below this area, which would make it a red session or a red day. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support. We also have a free Discord right here. You can join the Discord right here. If this video is helpful, please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps us out. Thank you for watching.